Alright, I am back. Currently uploading the Fallout, Fallout video. If you watched Fallout, y'all understand that I have been having glitches with the game, so I'll be switching over to the first Red Dead Redemption, since I have it for Steam. So I figured I might as well play it, you know. As much as I wanted to continue Fallout 4, just the glitches were getting too much, so I just decided to stop. So that's what happened there. But otherwise, yeah, for the time being, I'll do Red Dead Redemption if it works, I should say. So I haven't even tested it yet, so we'll find out either today or tomorrow. Just depends on how long it takes to upload. Guess there's more than one of these pieces, yeah. So there's two. But yeah. Other than that, I don't really have anything else to really update on. So I'll just continue. Oh no, I actually did get I got my Mandrake Lego set, so that's another one of my things I plan on building at some point. I'm even considering just building it even while I'm doing this one. Or not at the same time, obviously, but in between videos. I might do both, or do the other one too. No particular reason why, it's just I kind of want to, mainly just want to just build it, you know. Other than that, yeah, it'll be, where am I? One. Oh, that's weird looking placement. Alright. Next ones are these. So it starts getting harder to find pieces. They start all looking the same. That's one of those pieces, and one more corner. Like I say, I keep checking just to be safe, since I've had bad luck before, but not recording. So, yeah. It can get difficult because I have such big fingers, or fat fingers, if you will. And nowadays, it seems like. Let's see. Found one of them. I need to stop doing Legos in the morning because I'm a little tired in the mornings. Oh, never found it. Alright. So that, square, small, weird looking one, normal, and weird looking one. Alright. So Alright, my TV is still on. I need to restart it. For whatever reason, the Amazon app doesn't refresh on its own. It used to. It used to be really good at it, but for some reason it doesn't lately. Oh well. Like I said, I've been having weird luck lately, so you know. Oh, speaking of Amazon, now that I think about it, I know I mentioned I'm watching the Beast Games yesterday, but I'm watching another show called From. I've actually really enjoyed it so far. It kind of falls into the cliche, like, oh, we need to do this or else type of stuff like they did in Lost. Since I know it's the same creators, but yeah, and but it's still like addictive. It's an interesting enough storyline to kind of not think about it. I just hope that it doesn't end as badly as Lost did. Like Lost didn't end badly. It's just underwhelming, if that makes sense. Same as Game of Thrones. It wasn't bad. It was just disappointing. Well, Game of Thrones was disappointing. Lost, just like, huh? That's it. Oh, well, I guess it's the same thing. I guess, but I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Oh, alright, this is where you get into the fun part. Alright, this part can go somewhere else while I do this. There's a bent piece. This piece is, looks like it might have been broken somehow. 2, 3. I just have to make sure that the pieces I'm looking at are special pieces for later. I don't know, I'll just stick with my gut for now, just to be safe. There's that. One, 2, 3. Got those 3 pieces. Actually, does it have a tutorial in front that shows the pieces? I thought because when there was. Strange, right? They have to be the same pieces, right? They're not like a specialized piece. Some of them have these like little holes in the top of them. I can't really see it exactly on camera, but it's not quite like the other ones. So I do not know. So it looks like it's on the rest of them, you know. So I try my best to find these pieces. Two. 3. So this is part of the outer wall. Yeah, it'll look a little bit better when I put it on here, but yeah. It doesn't look like it shows anything for those cross-shaped ones. So yeah, it looks like it's just an error on their part. Yeah, since it looks like it gets covered anyway, so I don't think it necessarily matters. So let's go ahead and use these ones then. So yeah, it's like the filament must not filled completely or something, so oh well. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. says keep that one slightly bent, so I will. One, two, three. Like I say, these tiny little pieces are a combination of hard to find and hard to place. I'm not a kid anymore, so my fingers don't really fit into the correct little placement. Jeez. One more. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. One, two, 4, 6. More. There. 2, 4, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4. Honestly, I could probably put the last piece on there, but lamp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that these placements don't necessarily matter, like design-wise, but I'm gonna still follow it because that's what the instructions say. There's that, enough. 1, 2, and the regular, like flat-edged one. We're out there. I think there's just like the only one. Flat one. And then next one is 100. Two, 3. like I say, I set up aside the pieces just so that way I have an idea of like not accidentally not doing something, you know. Oh, so alright, there's the flat one goes here. And the flat one over here. Yeah, I'll continue until I'm done with this wall, then I'll place it since it's only 2 things left, so yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. So it is, at least in this way. 2. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 of these now. Then the damaged looking ones, the more brick looking ones, I should say. So 1, 2, 3 of those, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's really just this right here and the piece on the side that holds it. Alright, so I think that might be it for today. Just because I had to rebuild that thing again. Let's see, where's the video at anyways? It's a little over 25 minutes. Have some water. Actually, I'm gonna keep my phone out of view, but like I say, there's this game I have to check in on every once in a while to make sure it's getting me my points. But yeah, as much as I want to continue, I need a break anyways, so yeah, like I said, I'm figure out what to build next. Well, I don't know if I want to take a break from this now that I think about it, since I'm so far ahead, but yeah, that's one half of the wall so far for the first level. This is the set I was talking about right here. So it looks like you can, it's an actual Legos this time. So it's, how many pieces? 579, so the chance it might be a 2-video or more Lego set. So I'm used to those small ones, which is like 200, so don't be surprised if there's more than one video on that. But otherwise, yeah, that'll be it for today, so peace out.